Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℎ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝕋 back again with another cooking with Eb. As you can see back there, got the Hello Fresh. Told y'all, like in the last video, we were doing the beef and cheese tostadas with green bell peppers, tomato sauce, and hot sauce crema. So it's really not too much to say. We just gonna go ahead and get into the video, okay? All right, y'all. So we get, what am I saying? You know how we get into it, how we starting off. We washing our hands with antibacterial hand soap. We're gonna go ahead and crack open the bag, breaking the seal. Let's get into it. We got the flour tortillas, the cheese. We have the bell pepper. We have the warm and smoky Southwest spice blend, chili powder, the Cholula hot sauce, sour cream, tomato, lime, onion, cilantro, the beef stock, and you know I like to keep my bag to keep my trash because pure. So we're gonna go ahead and take all the vegetables and go ahead and wash those off, get them a little dry, and then we're gonna get ready to get cutting. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of cut the onion, and then I had put it off to the side because I needed to chop the whole thing. So I was just like, let me just at least get the skin off, and then I'll go ahead and chop it later. So I'm going to go ahead and cut and core the bell pepper and then just cut it up into strips. As you know, I got the little instructions and ingredients on the side. And we're just going to go ahead and chop these up into, like, I want to say maybe 1/2 inch thick slices. Because the meat, it was a lot of meat, but basically, you know, you have more of a filling with the bell peppers and the onions. So you kind of want them to be a little thick or whatever. And I think it gave me 1 lime, but I had another lime. So I cut up both limes, and I used, I want to say, a whole lime in the salsa. Yeah, I think so. So we're going to cut up the tomato as well. Basically, get everything prepped and cut. And then we'll go ahead and start with everything else. So that is for the salsa. Gonna go ahead and cut up that cilantro. I need a bigger cutting board because this little baby here, she's get the job done, but baby, we need more. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut up the onion. Half of the onion is going into the salsa, and then the other half is going in with the meat filling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop that up, slice it up, and yep. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that. How are y'all doing today? I was trying to find something else to talk about because y'all know I be trying to find something to talk about. I'll be trying to edit it to where it's not like that many gaps in there, so I don't have to talk so long, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into the bowl with some salt and pepper, and then squeeze in the lime. I squeezed in a whole lime into that. Yeah, I did a whole lime, and then did I do a whole lime? Yeah, I did a whole lime. Did I do a whole lime? Yeah, I did a whole lime. And then I had then I had the other whole lime for the actual, serving of the food, or to plate it. So yeah, just put all of that in there and then just give it a nice little shake them up. And that's that. My nails look terrible in this video. I was taking them off, so don't mind my fingers, Oh my God, I'm not finna start. I'm not finna start. Oh, Jesus. Go ahead and put that lid on there. Shake that thing up. Y'all, that salsa was so good. Like, I'm going to even make that. I got to make this again. Like, this is really good. I want to try it with some chicken, though. That's going to be fire. Like some fajitas. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Anyway. We're going to go ahead and take these sour cream packets and open them up and add them into a bowl. I felt like that sour cream wasn't enough, so I had some sour cream luckily in the refrigerator, and I added a little more to it. So with the sour cream, you did have to add in some water until it got like a liquidy consistency. Enough water in it so that you can drizzle the crema on the tostadas. So yeah, so I added in a little bit more sour cream that I had, and then I don't think you can see it now in the frame. Let's just wait and see. Well, I added like 2 scoops, 2 teaspoons of the sour cream I had. Then I added in the Cholula hot sauce, as well as I had some of the Valentino hot sauce as well. Is that Valentino or Valentina? Valentina. So yeah, I had that little water over there in my little shot glass and added it in and mixed it until I felt like it was at a good consistency of what I felt, you know, was needed for the meal. Yeah. Mind you, I'm just following the directions. They didn't really have, I don't know if they have videos. No, they don't have videos on the app. It's just all pictures, basically like the little card that you get with the instructions. So yeah, that was that. So I added some salt and pepper for seasoning, and then just stir that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the crema and the salsa in the refrigerator and let it marinate until I get the meat mixture done and until I'm ready to actually plate the tostadas. So I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil. My camera's about to tip over. Add some olive oil into the pan. And then I turned it up a little bit. I turned it up to like medium high. Go ahead and add the, was that beef or pork? No, it was beef and cheese tostadas, yeah. So I add the beef in there with the chili powder and went ahead and broke down the meat to, you know, kind of, you know, make sure it was getting broken down. What am I trying to say? Y'all don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I added in the chili powder and then the warm and smoky seasoning packs, as well as some salt and some pepper, and went ahead and broke down the meat. You know, we're trying to make sure we got enough for all the servings, because baby, by this time I was hungry. Okay, hungry. Gonna go ahead and add the peppers and the onions in after the meat has fully cooked. Go ahead and let those onions sweat down. Added some more salt and no pepper, just salt. So added that in and then let that cook. Stirred it around, you know, do a little shuffle tussle, you know, in the pan. Let that thing cook up. Y'all, it was so good. We're gonna get to that, but anyway. So now, after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tortillas in the oven. Added some olive oil on them and kind of coated both sides of them to make sure that they didn't burn or anything like that. And I put the oven on, I want to say maybe 300, just so they can get, you know, a little warm and get a little toasted. And then pop those bad boys in the oven. And then, where am I at? Come on, girl. Jesus. I had a little shake right there. Go ahead and stir that up. And then I'm going to add in the beef stock, as well as, I think, some water. We're going to check and see. Let's see. Yeah, I probably had to add in, I think, like a 1/4 of a cup of water to that mixture. And then I let it cook it down some more. And then it's time to plate. Y'all like what I did there? I got to make sure I start staying out the way more so I could plate it. Oh, my God. I like this transition. All right, y'all. Bye. This is the final result. This looks really good. Oh, I should take a picture. Hold on. So I don't know how you're supposed to eat this for real. I guess you're supposed to kind of pick it up like. I didn't really like it because I didn't get enough meat. I don't know if this tastes authentic, but baby, it's hitting for what it's hitting for. It's hitting good, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Just wanna be your girl.